So what up guys? So I'm here going to be discussing income tax and computation. So taxpayers are classified into compensation incomes earners, self-employed professionals, and mixed income earners, depending on their source of income. Alright, so while compensation earners receive income purely from employment, their taxes are withheld by the employer. If they earn from only one employer, they may not longer need to file for income tax return. So, for self-employed professionals, they earn from business or private practice. They compute their tax by deducting either itemized deductions or 40% of the optional standard deduction. And lastly, mixed income earners earn both compensation and business income. So yun, naging nga yung mga dogs ko. So thank you for listening. Bye-bye!